Many market observers were taken aback by the introduction of artificial intelligence, AI, last year, especially by how fast it altered the way some of the most valuable corporations in the world operated. Apple lost its position at the top to Microsoft, which now holds a market capitalization of more than $3 trillion. NVIDIA, driven by its gold standard AI hardware, soared up the rankings to take the third position after Apple with a $2.3 trillion market valuation. Other prominent members of this esteemed brotherhood are Amazon, Meta Platforms, and Alphabet, each of which has its own AI solutions. Palantir Technologies may not appear like a strong contender to join the $1 trillion club, given its market capitalization of only $54 billion. However, the odds appear to be in Palantir's favor given the growing demand for AI and the company's experience in the industry. Palantir was mostly unknown outside of government agency circles not too long ago. The AI and data mining expert collaborated closely with the American intelligence community to identify terrorists and stop attacks before they started. Palantir quickly went beyond its initial goal, developing complex built-to-order AI models for other businesses and government organizations, which assisted in locating important insights buried deep inside their data. When the generative AI market took off early last year, Palantir acted quickly, leveraging decades of experience to provide a widely applicable solution. The result of such efforts is the artificial intelligence platform, AIP, which Palantir created in a few months as the company's in-house generative AI system. The company's go-to-market approach, though, is what is driving the most demand. Among AI providers, Palantir is in a special position. The business has a strong track record of completing government contracts and a lengthy history of AI competence. Palantir has an advantage in offering AI solutions to the U.S. government and its allies because of this, and a lot of people think the race for national AI has already started. The opportunity is obvious when you consider the enterprise's enormous potential, but it won't happen right away. Palantir is expected to bring in $2.71 billion in 2024 and $3.23 billion by 2025, according to Wall Street, which translates into a forward price-to-sales P/S ratio of roughly 16. Palantir would need to increase its revenue to about $60 billion yearly to sustain a $1 trillion market cap, assuming that current P/S stays unchanged. In the last quarter, revenue increased by 20% on an annual basis. Palantir would need 16 years to hit the $1 trillion mark at that rate. But because to generative AI, its U.S. commercial business expanded by 70% in Q4 and is expected to grow at least 40% in the coming year, potentially surpassing its other sales. Given Palantir's propensity to overpromise and underdeliver, that estimate may be conservative. Within 10 years, the corporation might be valued at $1 trillion or more if its revenue growth approached 40%. Though projections for generative AI are still in the early stages, global management consulting firm McKinsey & Company projects that the market will be valued between $2.6 trillion and $4.4 trillion yearly. Palantir will soon join the $1 trillion club if it manages to seize even a tiny portion of that enormous and expanding opportunity. In the constantly changing fields of finance and technology, Palantir Technology is a shining example of creativity and foresight. This article explores the company's journey, its strategic initiatives, and the market's reaction, all the while highlighting that the information presented here is analytical narrative rather than financial advice. In the stock market, the contrast between investor sentiment and Palantir's listing on the New York Stock Exchange has been divisive. Bullish investors praise the company for its artificial intelligence focus, blend of commercial and government clients, and CEO Alex Karp's leadership. Nonetheless, some opponents claim the company is overpriced, indicating the rise in the number of investors shorting Palantir stock since 2021. However, this trend reversed as the stock saw a 200% increase over the previous year, raising the possibility that short sellers were reinstating their short interest in market dynamics. The number of shares sold short by investors wagering on the company is reflected in the short interest in Palantir stock, which has been declining. This measure is important because a stock may experience a decline due to a large level of short interest. As a proportion of float, short interest in Palantir is currently at 5%, a significant decline from prior months. The company's remarkable annual increases are in line with this drop in short interest, indicating a relationship between the two: financial health and operational success. Palantir's outstanding operating performance are a major contributing element to the reducing short interest. After being unprofitable for a while, the company has posted JP profits for 5 straight quarters. Investors view Palantir favorably as a result of its profitability, the introduction of its artificial intelligence platform AIP, and the effective use of boot camps to speed up customer engagement. ADP's ascent and market prospects. Palantir AIP has changed the game by helping businesses find AI use cases rapidly and improve their operations. With predictions for future acceleration, this platform has helped the company's revenue grow by 17% to $2.23 billion in 2023. Due to the increase in demand for AI-related products, Palantir has seen fresh growth prospects, and as a result, many short sellers have given up on their bets. Long-term prospects and valuation issues, notwithstanding the optimistic outlook, cause some investors to remain cautious. There are many reasons to be optimistic about the company's ability to grow its commercial business, increase its bottom line, and generate strong returns through strategic partnerships and global expansion. But for those with a longer view, the high valuation, trading at 73 times forward earnings estimates, makes it a point of contention for potential investors. Palantir's strategic actions, like its collaboration with Ukraine to use digital tools to clear landmines and its aggressive financial targets for 2024, highlight its commitment to customer expansion and growth. The company is committed to making AI more accessible and impactful, as seen by its innovative approach to market penetration, which includes the introduction of new products and a new bootcamp strategy for client acquisition. The company is competing in the AI arena and have conducted over 500 bootcamps in October 2023. Palantir has used its vast industry knowledge to show the effectiveness and potential of AIP in delivering solutions in a fraction of the time required by traditional platforms. Palantir AIP is poised to compete with other AI tools that provide financial narratives and AI market possibilities together with industry-specific bespoke goods. Palantir's financial record is a tale of tenacity and calculated expansion. The business's remarkable performance in the fourth quarter, which included a 70% increase in its U.S. commercial business and a 20% year-over-year increase in revenue, is evidence of its strong operational framework. The momentum of AI and data analytics, profitability, and operational excellence. The achievement of 5 consecutive quarters of profitability with notable GAAP net income in 2023 also highlights the effectiveness of the company's business models and their depth in balancing operational expansion with financial health. The company's robust unit economics are demonstrated by the growth of its adjusted operating margin to 34% in the fourth quarter and establishes a standard for long-term profitability and wise investments, especially in its aid-driven programs and AI preparedness investment. As Palantir prepares to increase its AI preparedness investment, the firm is still dedicated to keeping expense growth below. Palantir is ideally positioned at the nexus of technological innovation and financial resilience thanks to its financial stewardship, strategic investments in technology, and partnerships. Revenue growth ensures the continuous delivery of GAAP profitability and operational excellence. Palantir is positioned to make considerable progress in the rapidly expanding AI market, which is expected to reach $225 billion by 2027. The firm is capitalizing on this opportunity by showcasing its revolutionary AIP, which is expected to considerably increase revenue and net margins. With its advanced data analysis tools, AIP is a flexible resource for businesses seeking to improve operational effectiveness and decision-making across a range of data types, including streaming and unstructured formats. Military innovation and strategic partnerships, strategic alliances with Palantir have been essential to its growth. Palantir's dedication to using technology to address global challenges is demonstrated by its partnership with Ukraine to implement digital tools for demining operations. The company's participation in the Titan project with the U.S. Army represents a major advancement in military innovation that integrates artificial intelligence and machine learning. Monetary policy decisions made by the Federal Reserve have a significant impact on market mood and advanced tactical skills. Palantir's business environment is favorable for investment and growth due to the decision to keep interest rates stable and the expectation of rate reductions. This could result in more accessible financing, which would support additional expansion and improve the company's stock market value dynamics and growth prospects. Palantir's stock performance is impacted by these economic policies, which in turn reflect investor sentiment and market dynamics. The stock market's volatility is shown by the company's shares, which have fluctuated to a 52-week high and low. However, the upward revision and the economic growth estimates for 2024 point to a more positive outlook. The AI market is expanding quickly for Palantir services, and Palantir's position in the market is growing as well. Palantir AIP is in a good position to benefit from this trend because of the platform's adaptability and advanced data analysis features, which are useful for a variety of industries, including defense and energy. Palantir's capacity to capture a sizable market share, its financial management, and its future outlook were all positively correlated with its strategic focus on AI readiness and its dedication to upholding operational excellence. Palantir's sound financial management, demonstrated by steady GAAP profitability and careful spending control, sets up the business for long-term success. The Palantir is expected to maintain its leadership position in data analytics and AI applications in the future due to its strategic investments in technology, partnerships, and innovative approach to AI. In summary, Palantir Technologies Incorporated embodies a unique combination of technological innovation, strategic expansion, and sound financial management. The company's remarkable journey from being shorted by investors to the verge of listing on the S&P 500 is a testament to its fortitude and vision. As it continues to innovate and grow, it maintains its position as a major player in the AI and data analytics industries. Market watchers and investors will be closely monitoring Palantir's strategic partnerships to see how it handles the opportunities and difficulties that lie ahead. Military advancements and a solid foundation in the AI industry. Palantir is well positioned for future growth, but it's important for investors to keep in mind that the insights offered here are merely for informational purposes and shouldn't be interpreted as financial advice. The investment world is dynamic and complicated, so doing your homework and speaking with a professional are essential before making any decisions. The Palantir narrative is far from finished, and as the firm moves forward, it brings with it the promise of innovation growth and a commitment to using AI to improve the world. Its potential to shape the future of technology and defense is immense. In conclusion, as the world economy changes and technology advances continue to influence different industries, some stocks may rise to previously unheard of heights. Palantir has the potential to become a member of the exclusive $1 trillion club thanks to its creative tactics, strong business model, and unwavering development potential. Early acquired investors may see impressive returns as it continues to lead its industry and reshape the nature of business. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Investing Tutorial for more insights into possible market movers and comprehensive training on investment methods. As soon as you become a member of our community, you will have the information and resources needed to take advantage of the always changing finance industry.